Hello everyone, I am Radhika and today we will learn about MOS Cascode Current Mirror under the heading Analog Building Blocks. So as we have already seen in the previous lecture as well for current source and current source and current sink as well, we need a circuit that have a higher output resistance. Similarly, in this topic of current mirror also, we need a circuit with higher output resistance than that obtained from the simple MOS mirror. So this is one of the configuration MOS cascode current mirror. In this, it provide a higher output resistance as compared to a simple MOS mirror. So here in this, four transistors are used. M3 and M4 keep the value of VDS1 and VDS2 nearly equal. We have already seen to remove the effect of channel modulation effect, that is lambda, we should keep the value of VDS1 and VDS2 equal. While M4 increases the output resistance of the mirror using the principle we have already discussed of with MOS current sink, that is of negative feedback and positive feedback to increase the output resistance of a simple MOS current sink. Okay, and if we in this case if we this mismatch effect are neglected, then the current gain of MOS cascode current mirror is given as I out by IN is equals to W2 by L2 upon W1 by L1. Okay, while its simulation while doing its simulation, we get the characteristic, and the characteristic shows that the output resistance of the MOS cascode mirror is significantly greater than the simple MOS mirror, and its accuracy is also good. The improvement in the slope reduction can be quantified by finding the small signal output resistance of the circuit. And this output resistance of the MOS cascode current mirror is calculated using the small signal model, which can be calculated as shown here. Okay, for this, we have seen that here are two in this we have two transistors M3 and M1. Okay, both have a current of this have a current of GM3 V3 and this have a current of GM1 M1 V1. Okay, so we can draw. So here is IN. This is for transistor M3, simple RDS3, and the voltage drop is V3 and the current is GM3 V3. Similarly, for M1, GM1 V1 is the current between drain to source, and this is the voltage, that is V1 across this. And in this case, in both the cases of M1 and M3, drain and gate voltages are connected, that is VDG is 0, so there is no voltage of VDG. Okay, for M2, similarly for M2, resistance is RDS2 and the current is GM2 V1. GM2 V1 because the same current flows here also. And this is for GM4. For M4, resistance is RDS4 and current is GM4. Voltage drop is V3 plus V1 minus V2. Okay, you can see if we want to calculate the voltage drop in this V4, okay, how can we calculate? V3 plus V1 minus V2. Okay, simple KVL. V3 plus V1 minus V2, that is V4. So it is written over here, and taking the body effect, okay, we get GM V4 V2, and in this way we can first calculate V out for this, and then we will calculate R out. So V out, this V out, here it is written V out is equals to V2 plus V4, and V4 can be find out from this particular small signal model of M4. V4 is equals to RDS4 into the current flowing in this branch. Okay, and the current flowing in this branch will be equal to I out is the total current, and two currents are here. One is going this way and the other is going this way. So applying the KCL to at this node, we will get the current flowing in this branch V4. Okay, so the current flowing in this branch will be I out plus GMB 4 V2 minus GM4 V3 plus V1 minus V2. Okay, and V out is equals to V4 plus V2, and V2 can be written as this voltage V2 can be written as this I out is the total current. This I out is also flowing in this branch also. So the current flowing in V2 branch will be I out minus GM2 V1. Okay. So here it is written that V out is equals to V4 plus V2. I have already discussed how it arrived, and V2 is equals to this. And since we have already seen In is equals to 0 under small signal condition, and then V1 and V3 are also 0. Okay, V1 and V3 will be 0 as this In is 0. Putting all the values and finding V out is equals to I out, RDS2 plus RDS4 plus RDS2 RDS4 GM4 plus GMP4, and solving for the output resistance. This is the output resistance, and we have calculated eta 4 we have put it GMB4 by GM4 is equals to eta 4. Okay, so we have find that the small signal output resistance in the case of MOS cascode current mirror is increased by a factor of RDS4 GM4 1 plus eta 4, that is this. Okay, as compared to the simple MOS current mirror. And the approximate value of R out when the ID is equals to 100 microampere is 155 mega ohms, which is very large which is very large in this case of MOS cascode current mirror as compared to the case of simple MOS current mirror. Okay, thank you.